Hello everybody. Today I'm reviewing this interesting bolt action EDC pen from MecArmy. It also acts as a fidgeting device with 3 different fidgeting points. Before I start, a quick wrist check. Today I'm wearing this Baltic Aqua Coffee in 37mm, which I will review later on my channel. MecArmy is quite a famous brand that offers dependable gear for everyday carry, outdoor activities, tactical use, law enforcement. Products include flashlights, knives, and many other EDC items such as this pen. I have to say here that I've got this pen for free, but my reviews are always honest. MecArmy cannot say or change anything in this review, and they will not see this video until I publish it here on YouTube. It's a reputable brand and they had no problems with me making an honest review. They are running a Kickstarter at the moment, and you can back this project and buy it at a discounted price via this link. You can also find the link in the description of this video. The specs and dimensions. They will have this pen in different materials such as titanium, brass, copper, and ultralight PEI, aka Ultim. And as far as I know, you'll be able to customize and mix the materials, and there will be an option to choose a zirconium Damascus bolt, the top spinner, or the roller. The one that I have is a full titanium option. It came in this box. Let me show you what's inside. The pen comes in this small bag. It comes with the additional top that you can replace, and if you don't want the spinner or you want it to be a little shorter, you can swap this top with this. There's also a patch, nice little patch with Velcro attachment, MecArmy card, and that's it for me. Okay, here is a complete list of parts that this pen can be broken down into. You can pause the video if you need to. And here is the dimensions and specs sheet. You have the weight for each material here. You can also pause this video if you need more time to go through the specs. What I like about it, for those who like fidgeting, there are 3 parts that you can fidget with. The first is the top spinner, this one. I don't have a fidgeting spinner to compare it to, but to me it works very well. It has a satisfying action and it spins for quite long. As you can see, it still spins. Out of the 3 fidgeting points, I like this the most. You can also install a tritium or any other type of glow files in here, in this small little sections. I'm sure some of EDC enthusiasts will like it. I myself like to have this as an option. The second is the bolt action. I have a few bolt action pens and I can definitely tell that this pen has a smoother action. They are on the cheaper side, but still worth comparing to. I can at least tell that this has a better build quality. The third fidgeting part is this rotating grip. It doesn't spin like the top spinner. It spins a little, but you can fidget with it, and it also has a good and comfortable grip. All 3 fidgeting parts have different actions, which is very good in my opinion. It's like 3 in 1, plus it's a pen that's small enough for everyday carry and it writes well. Writes smoothly. It has a very good build quality, no sharp edges anywhere, everything feels solid, all actions are nice and smooth. I like that there are several materials you can choose from. Mine is made of titanium. I think it has a good weight, not too heavy, not too light, just enough weight for this type of a pen in my opinion. If you like customizing, this pen offers lots of customizable parts. You can customize almost every part with all 4 materials: copper, brass, titanium, aluminum. In addition to that, you can also choose a zirconium bolt, top spinner, or the button roller. It has a hole for different attachments such as lanyard, keyring, or whatever you can attach to it. It's a good option to have. I also like the size. It's perfect for EDC in my opinion. It's tall enough to write comfortably and compact enough to carry it in a pocket, pouch, or EDC bag. I carry it in my EDC bag. The refill is compatible with Lamy M22 refills. Looks like this. Okay. It's widely accessible, so you don't have to worry about getting a refill. The stock refill writes smoothly and I don't have any complaints about it. I also like the design. I think it looks like a bullet. So what I don't like about it, The bolt action directions feels a little weird to me. The direction on this pen is from the top left to button right, and you use it in this motion. But for example, on this pen, the direction is the opposite way, from top right to button left. And I don't know about you guys, but to me, this feels more natural. Another thing is the clip. If you look at the retention point, it's 90 degrees. It's at 90 degrees. And although the corners are smooth, the corners are still smooth. Depending on the material you clip it on, sometimes it can be hard to pull it out. The clip also is not a deep carry clip. I don't think it's possible to make a deep carry clip on this type of pen, but still worth mentioning. For me, it's not a problem because I don't usually carry pens in my pockets. I carry them in my EDC bag. Apart from that, I don't see anything else I can mention here. Let me show you a closer look of this pen. So here is the bolt, MecArmy. The model name is TPX11. The TI for titanium. The lanyard hole. Here's the spinner. Alright, show you how it spins. I think it will look nice if I install the tritium vials in here, especially at night. The button roller or the hand grip roller looks like a barrel. Very interesting design. The finishing is very good on this pen. You can feel the quality. Yeah, it really looks like a revolver barrel. The pocket clip. So my final thoughts, it's a cool EDC pen. I like the overall quality and design. I don't have much experience with fidgeting toys and pens, but the early bird price seems reasonable to me. The MSRP might be a bit high, but considering the quality and what it offers, I might be wrong here. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. This will help me to grow my channel and motivate me to buy more stuff to review. Thank you for watching. Until next time.